Hello guys, my name is Norbel and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and the notification bell for you to be notified first every time I upload videos on YouTube. And don't forget to type some comments below so I can connect with you the soonest. Now today it's 3 days before New Year. Wow! Happy New Year everyone! And now let's get started with our lessons for today. Now let's talk about animals and their babies. Let's say tiger. Tiger. How do you call this one? The baby tiger. The baby tiger is called cub. Cub. Tiger. Baby tiger is called cub. C-U-B. Cub. And cat. How do you call this one? Cat. Baby cats are called kittens or cat, kitten. Cat, kitten. K-I-T-T-E-N. Kitten. The baby cat is called kitten. Now let's try duck. How do you call the baby of the duck? Baby ducks are called ducklings. Now duck, duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G. Duckling. Duck, duckling. Now let's try. Do you know what is the baby bird? Or how do you call the baby bird? Like this one. This is the big bird and this is the baby bird. It is right to say chick. It is also right to say tweety. Whatever or how you call the baby bird, is it a tweety or a chick? It will be alright. Okay, now let's try the baby giraffe. Giraffe, baby giraffe. How do you call the baby giraffe? Baby giraffe is called calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Giraffe, calf. Now let's try some animals. Okay, how do you call the baby goat? Baby goat is called kid. K-I-D, kid. How about the baby rabbit? The baby rabbit is called kindle. K-I-N-D-L-E, kindle. How about the baby lion? The baby lion is called cub. C-U-B. The baby bear. Of course, baby bear is called cub. C-U-B. How about the baby wolf? Baby wolf is also called cub. And the baby fox is also called cub. How about the baby goose? The baby goose is called goosling. And the babies of the following animals: cow, elk, moose, elephant, reindeer are all called calf. I will say it again. The baby cow, elk, moose, elephant, reindeer is called calf. C-A-L-F, calf. But the baby deer is called fawn. F-A-W-N, fawn. But the baby cow is called calf. C-A-L-F, calf. How about the baby monkey? The baby monkey is called infant. How about the baby mole? The baby mole is called pup. P-U-P, pup. How about the babies of human beings like me? My baby is called infant or baby. Hope you learned something from me today, guys, and thank you for watching. Kapun ka. Salamat po. Daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw sa akong video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, click like, and the notification bell for you to be notified first every time I upload videos on YouTube. And type some comments below so I can connect with you the soonest. Bye! See you on my next vlog.